to your boy, Mamma Quaba, about too much GH, Mamma say, and some ACC, away, Mamu, any a mindful frono, and no, and a dada, a bob one on a rubber sumo, and also when you also, oh, Mamu, any Biasimo, Afanina. Now, one per se, sign your money now, but missing into the one me a subscription button, no, or yes, or me a notification bell, and a dada, you could see a video. Once when you be no when you also away Mamu, any Biasimo, Afanina, and Bia, and me and Pound. Now, we don't call a year and then in same other for one woman say. Say ba aye o man Ghana mo a kwofo motedi edem etadi abropa a doctor for ene nurses for utimi call aye hospital o nimsa wo bre o ka first na ke nim say the life first eno na matter to them o mo de ba na Accra somebody obi ne nkwa de nke no ne ade anke hi o mo papa e wo adwuma o mo fa to o mo so be no so debi obo a utimi kopie mu ozu ni sika ene obo o feel cry ene o da hwa na what to say wewu obi so ha what we aka we sika ya ka we obe ye hwema hu say bibi o de kan wo say apade bi wo mu say bibi wo mu obe make sure say ni nyina be free wo ansa na wa close operation no ansa na wa ye obe yo onye gidi na so wa ye bia na so wo ja ho sa ye be kom no bi justice skitu bi e woni mu na ye say edi ni dem wo be kono o da sam ni kwa bi wa kwa de ko police station na ye say oni na ma sam ye be ko ba so ye be hwe na ni pani wo tese wo okọ asem na ye foolish case and na enyema ya doctor for do mo ye na say corona see ye e wo 2020 mo so be kai a story bi e be pie mo say ma bi e ko pie mo a tese ono no wa wo enkola miensa na no osanso enyem the fourth one odi ko pie mo e wo hospital no na wo mu ni na say awo kana awbowa esanso ase ofi ase moja ngetingiti bi etimi efi ne numu eba na ma me ko pie e wo ya hospital wa say doctor for be kan omo ho no ma boa no doctor for omo mu kwekra nose mask mu kwekra mo hyehyɛ gloves ene mo protect mo ho ni na no omo etimi anso ni mu adan ya ma me na e wo corona ebusuafo si so say mami wa wo miensa ne ma wo mu ni na process na okomu na no no and so doctors and nurses for more si de bida anya adu o meso ni mu ye te wa ya hwa de se mama no ene ne ba ni nyina so o mewu a se ebe ya asem ya esi ya so ni nyina eji ye hu ni ya ye mpedifo eye fa ehu na adofo me de ko eye nurse mu 37 military hospital ana ne de law court ai wo o man mu se enyima mo ye ewo man mu no emboa se na mudi amanfo dem na mo ndwi amanfo mutimi neglect obitimi ba hospital no atwe mo kwan no pe the operation na so mo de mu fi na mo wa chusu mo chest nipa ni nim no ho no timi chom say se na nyama ko ma test me wo mo say me wa blood pressure me go through certain things be nte be say ye say was la ona wo doctor mu enim de ntine na won fi nipa no won hwe ne report crowd different hospital but now the wo adwe na no na wo de be so record say that anya de be play e ma sanye man nya akoso na me no ka say 37 military hospital omoni ye bi and I'm so about you are when you're 27 years old and the day what one animal and so November 2015 and I say babesi and busuafo egusu ade 37 military hospital for court so omugusu edi assembly and ana court ama judgment no judge 37 military hospital one man or say a woman here say hospital no ebema busuafo no 1,075,000 Ghana cedis and no sika or they abo hospital no say omo fama busuafo na emuchichemu enie ya say the general jurisdiction 6th division of the high court and awade father any papa no the husband of the 27-year-old woman American no wasem no omo sika ni so muchichemu ema no enie omo say abranta no mama no 4,000 Ghana cedis say anko offer nye offer pattern no for the loss of life no na fen so almost as man 5,000 Ghana cedis for the damages of mental distress omode ema busuafo for 37 military for edema busuafo and I almost as man 100,000 Ghana cedis omode ma akwala no ya onyameche ye wo no sada no for the pain and the suffering akwala ne ekomu afen so court no esa so awode busuano akwala no kasa ya onyameche no 50,000 Ghana cedis for disfigurement. Na yesa akwala na ewo no yesi say na ekofam cesarean action yesi nka mama na nkasa na cesarean. And so doctor for say David anya ade o member na go through the normal cesarean na ono request for them no wo through the normal channel and that's the natural channel so be wo afa na kosu akuma ni mo ha. Now because of the trouble na mama ni community with me handle pay no, and I'm so I'm akwala no so me no kasa no ya cause disfigurement we our akwala body no noti and adopt law court no ma akwala no 50,000 Ghana cedis. There's also man 50,000 Ghana cedis for the damages to their primary caregivers and additional 25,000 Ghana cedis for damages overall. Na mama ya watwa na no mu e won say do atesa den sema kokopie mu e wo court no Helena Brema Nyameche onene abayo na etwema na oye ni PhD e wo University of Ghana at that particular time assembly esi no okopie mu e wo 37 military hospital abra na onyem no obewu ani no request for cesarean section CSE senka no and the preferred mode of childbirth. Name doctor for more was a moon there. I say about you want to tell you me peneso amasa cesarean no abaso then so be go through the normal channel and that's the natural channel of birth. And I'm so ama akwala ya wo no ya onyamecha no se see dem no kasa wa suffer from deformity on the right arm no so there the right arm no intimi enye ejuma papa say na say no na say the normal way no Captain Nyameche papa no ono ani papa mama na kasa ne papa and a few hospital no ekwo asemdibia na ne dem no kasa asemdibia edi asem na ama ebusuafo na jeja na oda asem na so justice Kwekuta wia aka bafo ono no de asem na ebetu dwa no so o twema say na hospital for no defend omo no embwa entwa ye kese ene embra no enka na olu odidi say enka there is a plausible and reasonable explanation anka doctor for no debate by them amo say no mo ka say cesarean request na by one make here no late no and yes na tie na mo check information ni bibia na say cesarean request na by one make here no earlier before more having the childbirth process. Don't think there is a possibility say hospital don't come to me at dodge problem na see any mum cra no hospital no more and no more days as same way about to or kasa so now cause this kind of pain to the family. And therefore some ACC and they any no and met me and they are so more why don't you find some no matter our comment section mo kama awo bo ani ni de kwan so why sans member we say oba mia subscription button na sana me kai no wo wie so no emia notification bell and no pe ene mama akonya se na e post video bi awo ya channel yi so awon so benye bie no hu ne ekoso awo ye memu ani wiase mo afa na nyina mi amede enese mi ebe o mini ani ekua bro ni mo ideal mo factory ba ko peda se na so e besan so ehia makram